Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Mike Mack, Superintendent of the International Schools Group, or ISG. ISG, founded in 1962, is an umbrella of 5 schools in Saudi Arabia, and the American School Dhahran, or ASD, is one of them. Thank you for joining our virtual ASD open house today. We pride ourselves in building a solid reputation for providing the highest quality education in Saudi Arabia. What really sets us apart from other schools in the country is that ASD is a place our students and teachers are happy to come to each day. And our students are seen as individuals with their own learning styles and interests. And our teachers recognize that inside and outside the classroom. Our approach is to look at the whole student and what he or she needs to grow. And that includes their education, their social well-being, and their emotional well-being. We encourage our students to reach out and ask for support when they need it. Our teachers are always willing to go the extra mile to support them. And we also encourage our students to participate in the wide range of extracurricular activities on offer. Because the truth is, not all learning happens inside the classroom. And there is so much more for a person to discover about themselves by exploring their interests. At ASD, our education is guided by our mission. We inspire innovation and compassionate action. And we tie it into everything we do. Our teachers are dedicated, engaging, and creative. And our students, they're just plain remarkable. They're kind, curious, and creative problem solvers. And they're critical thinkers who are engaged in the wider world around them. Our values at every ISG school are respect, acceptance, integrity, responsibility, with a commitment to act. These values prepare our students for life. They graduate with impressive results and are accepted in the top universities in the US, UK, Canada, and around the world. We keep in touch with our graduates through our Alumni Association, and their achievements make us proud each and every day. Our purpose-built campus is the only one of its kind in the Eastern Province, with impressive facilities and state-of-the-art features and technology, all to assist in student learning. You'll be hearing a lot more about ASD in the program that follows. With that, it is now my pleasure to present ASD's virtual open house. Thank you and enjoy.
Hello, my name is Ronnie Caldwell, and I'm the principal of the American School Dhahran. Today, you'll be watching our virtual open house experience in which you'll get information from our division assistant principals, as well as our counseling team about the programs that we have here at ASD. I think they'll make the case that the American School Dhahran is the preeminent school and the best choice for the education of your student here in Saudi Arabia. Many of our families and many of the people who have already sent their children through our program know about our commitment to inspiring innovation and compassionate action. They also know about the values that we instill in our students of respect, acceptance, integrity, and responsibility with a commitment to act on those values to make the world a better place. You're going to hear from our administrators, from our counseling team, and from students about the program we offer. You're going to get details about the curriculum, about extracurricular activities, and about the support that we give students. I think the biggest promoter of our program are the families that continue to send their children to us, sometimes generation after generation. We've had multiple families come through, multiple students starting at kindergarten all the way through grade 12, matriculate to some of the finest universities in the world, and as well as develop into amazing character-driven human beings. That's what we are for the community here in the Eastern Province. We are the community school. We are the top choice to send your students for a compassionate environment, for an environment that develops them not just academically, but as a whole student and a finer world citizen. Once again, thank you for being with us today. I'm almost certain that once you hear from us and hear what we have to offer, you'll be with us for the remainder. Be good and have a wonderful day.
Hello, my name is Ewan Hunt. I am the high school assistant principal at American School Dhahran and also the IB Diploma Program Coordinator and Advanced Placement Coordinator. ASD follows an American curriculum but offers 3 programs of study in order to increase agency for each student to choose the academic pathway most suited to them. The American curriculum is fully accredited by the Middle States Association of Colleges and Schools. The IB Diploma Program is evaluated every 5 years by the International Baccalaureate Organization, and our advanced placement courses are approved by the College Board. The combination of our diverse academic programs allows students to choose the most appropriate pathway in pursuing their post-secondary objectives, and the range of activities, athletics, and arts that are offered provide a variety of opportunities for students to also develop holistically. The American Curriculum College Preparatory Program at ASD is standards-based in each subject, and there are over 60 courses offered that increase student options as they develop their strengths and interests throughout high school. We also offer 20 advanced placement courses, which are academically rigorous college-level courses aimed at preparing students for the expectations of post-secondary education. Over 600 AP exams are written at our campus each year, and students can also pursue the AP Capstone Diploma by completing 6 AP courses, including AP Seminar and AP Research. In addition to these pathways, students can choose to pursue the holistic 2-year International Baccalaureate Diploma Program, or IBDP, where they select from 28 courses in 6 different disciplines and also take a college-level critical thinking course, Theory of Knowledge. In this course, they learn skills associated with in-depth research and writing and values associated with service learning. We also offer 12 standalone IB certificate courses at both the standard level and the more rigorous higher level to all our grade 11 and 12 students who wish to develop skills and approaches to learning that the IB program promotes. Over the past 5 years, an average of 87% of students at ASD received a score of 3 or higher on their AP exams, which is more than 25% above the global average. The IB diploma program results at ASD are also consistently higher than global averages.
Hello, my name is Will McConnell, and I'm also one of the assistant principals of the high school here at American School Dahran. I would like to take a moment to tell you about the extracurricular activities that are offered here at ASD. Athletics. American School Dahran believes that a dynamic athletics program is essential to the education and character development of its students, and the athletics department is dedicated to providing the best possible learning environment for the physical, cognitive, and social development of its student athletes. What ASD students learn from their participation in competitive athletics provides them with transferable skills for the classroom and life after ASD. The athletics curriculum includes experiences in sportsmanship and teamwork, commitment and discipline, competition and conflict management, and skill and character development. Currently, ASD offers athletics programs for volleyball, soccer, basketball, table tennis, cross country, track and field, badminton, and swimming for both male and female student athletes. Activities. At ASD, we offer our students a well-rounded, balanced learning experience that contributes not only to their intellectual development, but also to their personal, social, physical, health, moral, and emotional development. We are committed to offering a first-class program that will allow an abundance of opportunities to all students. We have a variety of after-school activities to spark our students' interests and develop their skills, such as Student Council, National Honor Society, Best Buddies, and Model United Nations. The WOW Week, or Week Without Walls. Week Without Walls is an anticipated time at ASD. High school students sign up for international trips that offer cultural and social experiences, with a community service project planned with every trip. Service learning outside the classroom and learning new skills, exploring different experiences and places, all help students embrace their potential to make a difference. In addition, the program helps raise cultural awareness, cultivates student independence, responsibility, and leadership qualities, and incorporates team building between the students. Students that do not wish to travel participate in activities on campus that expand their interests and creativity. Service learning. Service learning is an experiential learning pedagogy that moves students beyond the classroom to become active participants in their learning and develops civic knowledge and skills. ASD students who take service learning classes work with local, national, and international nonprofit and public organizations to deeply learn and practice course content by working on a real community-identified need. At ASD, students get to work directly on an issue facing the community and learn about the community in the process. The arts. At American School Dahran, students cultivate a lifetime appreciation, enjoyment, and love of the arts through creating, performing, and experiencing any one of several disciplines through the wide range of art offerings at ASD, both during and after school. Students have the opportunity to develop their understanding of visual and performing arts by working creatively and gaining competence in music, visual arts, theater, acting, choir, and band. It is our aim that our students develop a deep admiration of the arts that will continue throughout their lives.
Hi, my name is Mona Luars, and I'm one of the 3 high school counselors at ASD. I'm going to share some information with you about our counseling program. At American School Dahran, we have a counseling department that works with students to meet their counseling needs in the social emotional, academic, and college counseling domains. Students are assigned a grade level counselor with whom they will work with on social emotional and academic counseling. ASD also has a dedicated college counselor to work with students and families on the university search and application process. Counselors meet with students individually, in small groups, and also in large grade level meetings. Counselors also hold information evening sessions for families and students. Academic counseling is vital in high school. ASD grade level counselors work with each student to map out an academic plan to ensure the student is working toward meeting their graduation requirements to earn the ASD high school diploma. The counselors monitor students' progress and offer counseling support to students who need extra support with their academic performance. At ASD, we offer standardized testing to assist students and counselors with student placement into courses. These tests help identify academic strengths, as well as areas where a student may need to develop more. College counseling relates to working with the students as they prepare for the college search and application process. The college counselor works with students on how to search and research universities to find the right fit university. Students learn to map out university admissions tests so they are prepared and ready to meet specific testing entrance requirements. The college counselor holds university planning sessions for parents and students and also schedules university fairs and university presentations. During these events, students have the opportunity to hear directly from admissions officers from around the globe. High school can be a time where students experience situations where they may need to seek out counseling for social and emotional needs. Some examples are situations that relate to anxiety, peer pressure, and grief, just to name a few. ASD counselors can provide school support for students and families in times of crisis or emergencies. Counselors can also make outside referrals for students who find they might need long-term counseling or therapy. And counselors also work with teachers and parents to support students' achievement in school and help promote success within our diverse student population.
A good school has a strong sense of community and opportunities for students to flourish, and is a place where students can explore new things about themselves and grow socially and academically. At ASD, we all strive for excellence in our learning, and we have many academic and athletic competitions that we get excited about, like the American Mathematics Competition, speech contests, and the NESAC Academic Games. ASD also holds the biggest Model United Nations conference in the kingdom. When it comes to sports, our school sports team attend ISG Jamborees, which are tournaments among the other ISG schools, SciCac Inter-Kingdom tournaments, which are tournaments among other schools in the region, and also NESAC tournaments, which are international competitions. Week Without Walls is an anticipated time at our school. Students sign up for international trips and explore different parts of the world, and we engage in community service projects in the country we're visiting. These trips also incorporate team building and leadership activities. And we learn to be independent and responsible because we're far from home. Students thrive at American School Dahran. We learn values and skills that are essential for success at school and in our future.
American School Dahran has kids from all around the world, allowing students to learn about different places and cultures. One of our favorite events of the year is International Day, when we celebrate each other's cultures through performances, food, music, and the International Village. Our ASD Civility Code, clubs, and sports bring people together and allow us to get to know each other, and this builds a stronger connection in our community. We all strive to be inclusive and kind each day. We have morning meetings in our advisory classes and monthly check-ins as a grade. Student-led after-school activities and clubs at ASD offered us an opportunity to try new things, practice independence, and develop new skills. Because we lead these clubs ourselves, we can pursue our passions and learn fundamental leadership skills. At ASD, we also receive academic support, and we know we can reach out to our teachers if we need to. Our teachers and counselors monitor our progress and are open to help us when we need them.
I'm Emily Burns, ISG's Admissions and Enrollment Manager. We're excited that you're interested in American School Dahran, and we encourage you to apply. Families that join ASD will move through the following stages of the admissions process. Your first step is to apply. You can access the online application on ISG's website. Then, after you submit the application form, you will receive a checklist of documents to submit. These vary depending on the applicant's age, nationality, and previous schooling. Typically, applicants upload passport copies, report cards, confidential school reports, and standardized test reports. Once you have submitted your application and all required documents and paid the application fee, our admissions team will review your documents and let you know if there are any additional requirements. The admissions staff will determine whether an assessment is needed, and they will schedule your child for an on-site assessment as soon as possible. Only applicants with complete files will be invited for assessment. After your application and all assessments are complete, we will review your full application and send you an admissions decision. Please note that if the grade level is full, you may be placed on a waiting list. For those who are accepted, the final step is enrollment. Your admissions specialist will help you submit all enrollment requirements prior to the start of school, including the enrollment agreement, payments, government documents, and medical forms. Applications for the 24-25 school year will open on December 10th. Families may apply in one of 3 application windows. The first application deadline will apply to grades 2 through 12. Those applying during the first round of admissions in these age groups should submit their application by the deadline of January 11th. All applicants who meet the deadline will receive an admissions decision by February 18th. Those who apply during the second round of admissions should submit their application by the deadline of February 15th. They will receive a decision by March 31st. All applications submitted after February 15th will be reviewed on a rolling admissions basis. Rolling admissions decisions will be given within 3 weeks of a completed application, starting from March 31st, until all seats are filled. Please note that the earliest admissions deadline does not apply to our youngest applicants in kindergarten and first grade. The first deadline for kindergarten and first grade will be February 15th. Applications must be complete to be considered for an admissions deadline. A complete application includes the application form, all required documents, and payment of the application fee. We're excited about your interest in ISG, and we hope that you choose to join our ISG school community. Our friendly and knowledgeable admissions team is eager to get to know your family and to guide you throughout your admissions journey at ISG. You can reach out anytime via our admissions email.